Hi, Mickey Mouse. It's 2 something in the morning. I'm studying for my math test I have tomorrow, which is on financing stuff, things. I don't even know. Stupid equation stuff, whatever. But, I didn't do my video Tuesday because I got really busy. And I'm doing it now for a quick minute. I feel like crap. Completely. I have a cold. My throat hurts. My nose is stuffy. And my head hurts. And, um, going to the movies tomorrow, and this weekend I'm doing hair and makeup for the play, which one of my friends is in. She has one of the lead roles, so to a lot of my friends. I don't know, but just saying hi, and I'll do a longer one next week. I'm just so dead right now. It's not even funny. Hope you're having fun. Hope you and whatever his name talk again. I guess I forgot his name. I don't even know, but I love you. Hope you're having fun. And you know you can always call me if you need anything. Love you.